บសួរខ្ញុំឈ្មោះកៅពេជ្រសុជាតារៀននៅកម្រិតទី6នៃសាលារៀន CAMFIRST សាខានរោត្តមខ្ញុំជាម្ចាស់ជ័យលាភីនៃក្រុមទី1នៃការប្រកួតប្រជែងនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសសាធារណៈនៃឆ្នាំ2022
Hello everyone, my name is Taichan Monica. I'm a student from level SAA from the Rotterdam campus. I'm a champion in Group 2 of English Public Competition 2022.
So hello everyone, my name is Ganjadiep. I am a student from the CAMFIRST School, the Rotterdam campus, and I am currently a student from level 12B. And also, I am one of the champion of Public Speaking Competition 2022.
Good public speaker គឺសំដៅទៅលើបុគ្គលដែលមានទំនុកចិត្តនិងភាពក្លាហានក្នុងការបង្ហាញនូវពាក្យពេចន៍ទៅកាន់មហាជនក្រៅពីនេះពួកគាត់ថែមទាំងមានការប្រើប្រាស់ភាសាផ្នែកនិងភាសាកាយវិការព្រមទាំងការលើកដាក់សំឡេងផងដែរ
For me, to define a good public speaker is be flexible, be neutral, be confident, and also understand your own topic.
កត្តាដែលសំខាន់ដែលតាក់ទងនឹង public speaking skill គឺធ្វើឲ្យយើងកាន់តែមានភាពក្លាហានជាងមុនក្នុងការនិយាយចំពោះមនុស្សដែលច្រើនខ្ញុំធ្លាប់មានមិត្តភក្តិម្នាក់ដែលគាត់ជាមនុស្ស introvert ឬក៏អត់សូវចេះនិយាយជាមួយមនុស្សជុំវិញខ្លួនតែដោយសារការជំរុញពីលោកគ្រូគាត់បានចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធី public speaking competition ក្រោយមកក៏បានផ្លាស់ប្ដូរក្លាយជាមនុស្សដែលពូកែនិយាយជាងមុននិងចេះរាប់អានមិត្តភក្តិច្រើនជាងមុន
The public speaking is important for us because it allows us to form connections, influence decisions, and motivate change.
Our public speaking is important to us because first thing is it helps us to build our confidence. It's like kick us from our comfort zone. Second is about critical thinking skill. Being a critical thinker means that the information that you are selected can be analyzed and utilized even in the hard situation. And the last one is about our communication skill. Speaking, the more you speak out, the more you get into communicate. កត្តាដែលសំខាន់ធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខ្លាចជាម្ចាស់ជ័យលាភីមាន3គឺកត្តាទី1ការគ្រប់គ្រងអារម្មណ៍ដែលសារតែខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ចូលរួមប្រកួតកម្មវិធីផ្សេងៗកន្លងមកដូច្នេះហើយការគ្រប់គ្រងអារម្មណ៍គឺងាយស្រួលសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំកត្តាទី2តាក់ទងនឹងការប្រមូលគំនិតគ្នាយើងអាចធ្វើការ research តាមអ៊ីនធឺណិតឬក៏យោបល់ផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនឬក៏សួរយោបល់អំពីមនុស្សជុំវិញខ្លួនដើម្បីប្រមូលគំនិតគ្នាក្នុងការសរសេរឲ្យងាយយល់និងងាយស្រួលក្នុងការស្ដាប់កត្តាទី3តាក់ទងនឹងការសម្ដែងដូចជាការប្រើប្រាស់ភាសាកាយវិការនិងការប្រើប្រាស់ខ្សែភ្នែកនិងការលើកដាក់សំឡេងដើម្បីធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកស្ដាប់ចាប់អារម្មណ៍លើយើងនិងងាយស្រួលក្នុងការយល់
There are 3 factors that help me become a champion. First is be confident enough to be yourself. If you remember all the script that you are going to present, but if you feel nervous, do not believe in yourself. You will forget the script that you are going to talk about. The second is voice control. If you are nervous, your voice is not well, right? And the voice is the most communication to your process. And the third is body language. Body language is the combination of your gesture, facial expression, example like keep smiling and movements.
3 factors that help me to become a champion. First is well prepared. Do practice as much as you can, the more the better. Second is be flexible. You have to understand your own topic. Even you meet some obstacle during speech, but you still can get control over it. Last but not least, it's about be confident but not arrogant. You shouldn't look down on their ability, especially competitor.
បើអ្នកមានភាពភ័យខ្លាចតែចង់ខ្លាចជា good public speaker ខ្ញុំណែនាំឲ្យអ្នកស្វែងរកពីមូលហេតុដែលធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកមានភាពភ័យខ្លាចឬយកបញ្ហាទាំងនោះទៅពិភាក្សាជាមួយអ្នកដែលមានបទពិសោធន៍ច្រើនដូចជាលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់ជួយផ្ដល់ជាមតិយោបល់ឬក៏ការពិភាក្សាផ្សេងៗ
If a person is nervous but want to become a good public speaker, I have some tips to share. First is know your own topic. The better you understand what you are going to talk about. Second is practice. Practice your complete presentations several times. Do it for some people who you are comfortable with and ask for feedback. Third is challenge specific worries. List your specific worries, then directly challenge them by identifying probable. And the fourth is get support. Join a group that offers support people who are difficulty with public speaking.
If
If you are nervous, trust me, no one better than you in terms of this topic. So believe in yourself, do all your best, and keep going.
Before I end the speech, I have the last word to say. Remember that all the great speakers were bad speakers at first.
As opportunity does not happen, you create it.
ជាចុងក្រោយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណដល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះពីដើមរហូតដល់ចប់